Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mike Masters. In today's video, we will be going back to Vistacana to check out the progress taking place in Oasis Park. Oasis Park is located inside Oasis del Lago. For those of you who didn't know this, here's a fun fact. Oasis del Lago is the first residence developed and completed in Vistacana, with owners and tenants living there for the past few years. For a while, it was the only one in Vistacana. But as you are well aware, especially if you've subscribed to my channel, Vistacana has evolved and grown tremendously and now have multiple completed projects with people living there as well. And what makes Oasis Park unique is that they are completely separated from all the projects. They have a complete section on the opposite side of the beach and fishing lake. To get to Oasis Park, once you pass the main security station, you get to the first rotary. But instead of going around it completely, you stay to your right where you'll see the road that takes you to the private security station to enter. You will see a sign that reads Oasis del Lago. Oasis Park offers villas, townhouses, duplex, and apartments. The villas are just about ready to be delivered to their owners. The duplexes, townhouses, and apartments are advanced in the building process, as you can appreciate in this video I shot with my drone this past Thursday. Currently, the villas, townhouses, and duplexes are sold out in this first phase. There are, however, a few 3-bedroom apartments left, measuring approximately 1,121 square feet of living space, with patios starting at 227 square feet and terraces starting at 106 square feet on the first floor. And the upper floors will measure the same for the most part, with balconies as well. Prices for these few units start at $217,900. If you would like to receive your unit in Phase 1, there aren't many left, so it's important to act now. Phase 2 will be available soon, so reach out to me if you want me to add you to my contact list to notify you as soon as Phase 2 opens up. Something really special about Oasis Park is their social area called Cuatro Casas. It'll be 4 individual structures that will provide a full-blown fitness center, restaurant, bar, and venue for events. There will also be a trail for walking and jogging. The social area will also have 2 swimming pools. You can appreciate the view of the first 2 structures built and the areas where the pools will be built. And directly across the water from Oasis Park is where you have the incredible 25,000 square meter beach that has actual ocean water. So if you like salt water, you will love the beach. On the opposite side is the fishing lake. There are also restaurants, a bar, a venue for private events, children's pool and play area, a gym, an equestrian center on the other side of Vistacana, where for a fee you can take horseback riding lessons, and a 9-hole 3-par illuminated golf course for nighttime players. Soon you will also enjoy a sports zone, shopping center at the entrance of Vistacana, a second beach on the other side that will be twice the size of this existing one, the Ashton School if you have children and plan on living in Vistacana. If you need services like a dentist, pharmacy, hair salon, a place to pick up your Amazon packages, or golf cart rental, the business center at the entrance of Vistacana has all that available right now. So what's stopping you from investing here? Get your phone out and call me now, 809-223-8416. I'm available 7 days a week. If you prefer emailing, send it to info@propertiesbymasters.com. Let's talk about Oasis Park. I'll be waiting. Thank you for watching. I invite you to become a subscriber so you don't miss out on any new videos I publish. Make sure to hit the bell and choose the all option so you get a friendly reminder as soon as a new video is published. While you're at it, give this video a like so others like you can find these videos. And share it with anyone you know that may be interested in investing here in Punta Cana. When you get a chance, follow me on Instagram at Properties by Masters and visit my webpage, propertiesbymasters.com. To learn more about Oasis Park, watch this next video I made a while back that covers Oasis Park in detail. See you in the next video.